Yep, big bubbles, no trouble.
Taste a lot of coals.
Yeah, I bet.
And a little bit of dirt. Like so, that's one corner. So far so good. We won't be able to boil much water at the same time with this small piece.
Yeah.
You would need either a couple of these or a bigger one. So, this is not the best bowl I made. It's very brittle up here. I will try to fix that somehow. Maybe can take the last pincher.
Yeah.
Better. Now at least it won't crack anymore.
Yeah. And then we need to fill it up with water.
Yep.
And put the stones in.
Yep. Yeah. Now we're just waiting for the stones to get hot. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's perfect. Small one. Yep. Takes some time, but it does that when you try to boil water with stones.
Yeah.
You can do the same thing in a plastic bag if you dig it down in the ground, or like a plastic bucket and such.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different ways to boil water with stones. But yeah, one more stone in it and then I feel quite safe to drink it actually.
Yeah. Yep, big bubbles, no trouble.
Yeah. And you can see also when you put down one stone now, everything around it boils. Yeah. So this will be way more than enough.
Yeah. Let's see. Bottoms up.
Okay. Just have to figure out where I will drink it. Here. Yeah. Warm.
Yeah, it is smoking hot, so but it does work.
Yep. Taste a lot of coals.
Yeah, I bet.
And a little bit of dirt. And that's it.
Yeah.
It was actually 3.5 mouthfuls.
Yeah, not bad.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
And yeah.
I've learned a new thing.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you, Adam.
No problem.